I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck or living on a low income budget and want to learn how to save money for the future or save money in general, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So we're just going to jump right into it. Listen, I'm saving for my birthday, which is 6 months from now, June 23rd. I only have a $10 budget that I'm able to set aside every time I come in contact with money. So let's see how much we can save come next year. So first, what we're going to do is count the money and make sure it is accurate. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Okay, so now we're going to shake up the dice and see which envelope we are going to cash stuff with $1 first. So envelope number 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Self-care is envelope number 5. Next we have envelope number 3, which is nails. Next we have envelope number 2, which is hair. Envelope number 2 again, which is hair. Envelope number 4. So what's that? 3. So 4 is nails. Oh no, 4 is perfume. And that one rolled on the floor, so we're going to re-roll it. Envelope number 3, which is nails. Envelope number 1, which is birthday. Envelope number 4 again, so 1, 2, 3, so perfume, which is 4. Envelope number 6, which is shopping. I don't like how that one went. Let's do it again. Okay, so 2. We got 2, so that is hair. Alrighty, so what we're going to do now is we're pretty much just going to count to see how much we were able to cash stuff in each envelope, as well as how much we have and how much we have in the binder overall. So for birthday, we were able to save $1. These envelopes are getting so thick now, so I have to go to the bank. Alrighty, let's see. So for birthday, we now have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. 84 for birthday. So for hair, we were able to cash stuff $3. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3. 73 for hair. For nails, we were able to save $2. So now we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $45. For perfume, we were able to save $2. So now we have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. $41. For self-care, we were able to save $1. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2. $82 for self-care. And then for shopping, we were able to save $1. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $68 for shopping. So that is all for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.